Hey, before we start this build, I want to give a special thanks to Nathan P. for giving me the idea, even though this is already a widely used idea. So you're going to need a bat of some type. I got a used one because I didn't want to spend the full price. You're going to need 2 bolts, 2 nuts, and 2 washers. And of course you're going to need a saw blade of some type. You could get whatever size you want. The very first step is going to be to cut a slit into your bat so you can add in the saw blade. Cut out the seam in the bat, but now you have to do the saw blade. I'll put the 2 pieces together by tapping them together with a rubber mallet. Almost done, but not quite yet. We're going to drill a few holes in the bat and add the bolts just for some more support. And for the part we've all been waiting for. Get your washer, put it in your bolt, put it on here like this. Use force if necessary. Get your other bolt, sorry, a washer. Put it on. Tighten it with a wrench. Make it tight, but not that so tight that cracks the wood, because that would suck. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, that's nice. And that's pretty much it. But if you want to, you could add a handle tape, which is, I'm going to do that right now. That is all finished up. I think it looks great. Now here's the weapon test, like always. Yeah, so that's pretty nuts. No joke, it looks like Freddy Krueger clawed it. Dude, it's just seeping everywhere.
That's not an entirely clean cut, but
yeah, it's pretty good.
that started all over me. Oh, dude!
That is...
The cap, I don't know why I find it so interesting that the cap is still on perfectly.
Yeah, dude, that's freaking amazing. I freaking love it. Hit it again. Oh, dude, well, then bring it over. Well, that's pretty clean cut. That soaks me.
Oh, dude, just look what happened.
Still recording?
Yeah, I'm sorry, because I wanted to get...
Sweet, you got that shot.
more flattened than anything else.
Yeah, dude, it's freaking great. I think it's cool how awesome it looks in the wood.
Oh.
That's great. Let's look at the real narrative.